Well, here we go again. Second day in a row. Our driveway has turned into a full-scale river. Thank goodness for the dude on the dozer who knew how to grade this property. Otherwise, that'd be coming through the house. Check out the water coming out of the downspouts. This is actually less than it was a minute ago. It's a natural spring out of the sky. Water coming out of that pipe is top quality, perfect drinking water. Check this out. Anybody into fish farming? I am going to hook these pipes up to some fish tanks, and we're going to raise freshwater prawns and tilapia, maybe catfish here. And of course, with the return of the rain or the ending of the drought, come the mushrooms. Look at the beautiful little white caps. That right there is going to be a new road. Over 3 inches in the gauge again. I dumped 4 inches out of there yesterday. Well, just so y'all don't panic, most of my crops here are above water line. I'd say 99% of the property is high and dry. But there is a small portion of the land that gets a lot of water. And so my cabbage and bean dilemma is even worse this morning. Check it out. Oh man, it just went underwater. Get to find out how well they deal with low oxygen. Last night, all this water actually disappeared, went down into the lava because the soil is extremely porous here, but it just can't keep up with this volume of rainfall. That's just too much. And so everything's underwater again today, even worse than it was yesterday. Check it out.